I am demoing on the local host, but we do have a production environment set up. Here you can see our key statistics bar. We have the departments participating, courses available, participating schools and students enrolled, and all of this data is being pulled from our backend using endpoints. These are the summary reports, starter reports, and pages section. You can search through the pages as they're added in. Starting with the schools. If I try to update any of the data within the database without logging in, it's not going to let me. Here we've implemented role-based access. So if I log in using the credentials, I will now be able to update any of this data. So if I were to go back to the homepage and see the participating school count is 55, and if I update the school count by 10, and go back to the homepage, you can see that it's being dynamically updated. Now going into the COIL courses data, I will demonstrate how you can add and filter data. So to add a new row, click the Add New Row button. And if the computer science department was doing a COIL course and we wanted to add that to the database, we just do this, and you can filter. And here's our course. And to delete, simply select the row you want and delete. Going back to the home page and into your faculty recipients page, we've also added a functionality to export this data as a CSV file. This is to be able to share any of the reports that they've made and all the filtered reports. So this is the report as a CSV. And then lastly, this functionality is not fully implemented, but we wanted a button that will allow them to star a report after filtering based on their requirements, adding any titles, so faculty. And if they added it and went back to the homepage, we wanted to be able to click back into it and have the filter settings applied. We currently have the model, schema, and the API resource file set up for it, but the front end is not complete. It should be a stretch goal for us, but that is the extent of our UI. And going back to our presentation.